We live now in an age with so much information. A wealth of knowledge is available at our disposal. We don't have a problem with a lack of knowledge and resources. We have a problem with how to ingrain in ourselves so much of what is available to us today. Did you ever think to yourself, after reading a good book, how can I internalize the knowledge I just read in this book? How can I get in tune with the mind of this great author? How can I understand and live by the information I just read? How much would I be able to grow if I just be able to read more and have the ability to open myself up to the abundance of knowledge, education, and values available from so many great professionals, great authors, and brilliant minds? Did you ever think what keeps me from reaching my maximum potential? Many people struggle with this. You are not alone. Well, my friend, that's why I'm so excited to introduce to you the Jay Wealth Book Club, a unique opportunity for you to open up to the world of knowledge, education, and prosperity. The Jay Wealth Book Club is a monthly subscription series where every month we introduce a new book that will be the focus of that month. Each book is chosen from a curated list of bestsellers, must-read books. It is a wonderful alternative to read the book by yourself and grasp the concepts on your own. Instead, we read the book together throughout the month in a video series featuring a comprehensive, clear, interesting, and easy to understand summary of the book. We will be having interviews with the author to really understand what the author wants us to accomplish by reading this book. We will also be having an interactive group conversation and give you a snapshot of the book throughout the month with PowerPoints that will be taken out of the book. The focus of the Jay Wealth Book Club is to help you realize and reach your maximum potential. Instead of experiencing doubts and feelings of failure about not being where you want to be, you now have a chance from today on to be on the path of growth, the path that will lead you to your highest potential. You should be able to envision where you want to be in 12 months from now and visualize that path. Throughout the 12 months, we will focus on a different book, on a different topic, and on a different set of goals, putting you on the path to endless opportunities. This will force growth upon you. There are no more excuses. We are going to force you to accomplish. We are going to push you. When you see a great book that we are reading together, you will be inspired and want to internalize all that we are learning from the book. There is so much potential for you, and I really hope that you join us today. Together as a community, we can grow until I see you at the top where you really want to be and where you really belong.